Hey kids, now today we will continue our previous chapter. Okay, that means chapter 1. We have already done chapter 1 half portion in our first class in lecture 1. Now today we are going to do the rest of the part. And for this you have to take out your maths book. This is your maths book. Okay, and also take out your pencil. Now open page number 6. Now today our topic is greater than and less than. Greater than and less than. Greater means bada, okay, and less means kam. Now suppose I have given you two numbers. One is 40, another one is 20. Which one is greater number? Which one is bigger number? We have already learned about biggest and smallest numbers. Biggest means bada and smallest means chota. So now tell me which one is the bigger number, 40 or 20? Yes, 40 is our bigger number, because when we count from 1 to 40, the 40 will come at the last. Okay, so it is the bigger number and 20 is the smallest number among these two numbers. Okay, now today we are going to learn about greater than and smaller than. There are, in maths there are two signs. One is this and another one is this. Now tell me which one is greater than. Do you know this sign? Have you seen a crocodile? Have you seen a crocodile? How it when it opens their mouth, how it looks? It looks like this, right? Yes. So when it opens his mouth, it looks like this. So here, when we do the sum, one thing remember that that crocodile always want to eat the bigger number. When he see any bigger number, he rush to that number and grab that number. Okay, so when he see the bigger number, his mouth become open like this. So look, this sign, this is the mouth of a crocodile. This is the mouth of a crocodile. Okay, like this. It have teeth like this. And what will happen if he see a bigger number like 40 and 20? Which one is bigger? 40 bigger. So that's why crocodile is going to eat the number 40. Okay, and this one is smallest number. So he is not interested in smallest number. He wants to eat this bigger number. So he is rushing towards the biggest number. Okay, so this sign is greater than, and this one is less than. Look, if I write in this way 20, 40, so now this time crocodile is going towards this side. Why? Because the bigger number is in this side. In this part, the bigger number in this place, in first place, but in second part, the bigger number is in second place. So the crocodile wants to eat the bigger number, so he is going towards the bigger number like this, with his mouth open. He wants to eat the bigger number. Okay, and so that's why it is called less than. This sign is called less than, and this sign, that means this sign is called greater than. Okay, this sign is called less than and this sign is called greater than. And there is also another sign, that is this sign, equals to. If both the numbers are same in both the side, 40 in this side and 40 in this side, we put equals to. Okay, Okay, now for example we have 26 in this side and 31 in this side. Okay, so which is the biggest number, 26 or 31? Yes, 31 is the biggest number, right? So now what will happen? The crocodile will come and eat this number. Okay, so for this is our crocodile and his mouth is open and he goes to eat, and he is going towards 31 to eat this number. Why? Because this is the biggest number. Now if I give you sorry 51 10. Okay, now if I give you two numbers, one is 51 and another one is 10, so which one is the biggest number, 51 or 10? 10? No, 51, right? So which number the crocodile wants to eat? Yes, the biggest one. So which one is the biggest? 51. So the crocodile is going towards this number and his mouth is open and he was going towards 51 to eat this biggest number. Okay, now another question, if I give you 22 in this side and 22 in this side, what will happen? Oh, this time crocodile is confused because both the numbers are same, so he is standing like this in between these two numbers with his mouth closed. And when have you seen when the crocodile's mouth is closed, it looks like this, right? Yes, so this is equals to, he is confused because both the numbers are same, there is no bigger number, there is no smaller number, so that's why he is standing there and watching both the numbers with his mouth closed. So that's why we have put equals to sign, because both the numbers are same in both the sides, that's why you use equals to sign. Now if I give you okay, now look here, I have given different type of sums here. In one side we have 96 and in other side we have 80 plus 4. So when we add these two numbers, 80 plus 4, that means we have to add in this way, 80 plus 4. So what will be the answer? 4 plus 0 equals to 4 and there is nothing, so we have to put 8. So the answer is 84, right? So the answer is 84. So 96 is the biggest number or 84 is the biggest number? Which one is the biggest number? Help crocodile to eat the biggest number. Can you tell me which one is the biggest number, 96 or 84? Which one? Yes, 96 is the biggest number, right? So crocodile will go in which side? In this side or in this side? Yes, he will come in this side because he have to eat the biggest number. So which sign we have to put here? We have to put like this. This one is, so 96 is 84 is less than 96. Now which number is this? 82. And here the question is 70 plus 2. So what we have to do? We have to add 70 plus 2. Now 0, that means nothing. That's why we have to put 2. And here is also nothing. So what we have to write? 7. 72. 70 plus 2 equals to 72. So the answer is 72. So now look here. which is the biggest number, 82 or 72? Which one is the biggest number? Yes, 82 is the biggest number, right? So which number crocodile wants to eat? 72? No, he wants to eat the biggest number, that is 82. So which number, which sign we have to use here? We have to use, now if I give you this sum, how you will do this one? Here we have written 15 and here we have what? Which number? 43 plus 1. So 43 plus 1 means 3 plus 1, 4, and here is nothing, so we have to put 4. So 43 plus 1 is equals to 44. So here we have in this side, in left side, which number is this? 15, and in right side, which number is this? 14. So which one is the biggest number? 15 or 14? Yes, 15 or 44. Which one is the biggest number? Here in this side, in left side we have 15 and in right side we have 44. So which one is the biggest number? Yes, 44 is the biggest number, right? So crocodile wants to eat which number? Yes, he wants to eat the biggest number. So in which side he have to go? With his mouth open, he wants to go in right side because we have biggest number in right side. So when he go right side, when his mouth is open in towards right side, given you here I have written 13 and here I have written 11 plus 2. So now we have to find out first we have to find out this one, this result. So 11 plus 2 means how much? 2 plus 1, 2 and 2 plus 1, yes, 3, and here is nothing, so I have to put 1 here. So what is the answer? 13. That means 11 plus 2 equals to 13. So in this side also which number we have? 13, and in this side also we have 13. So both the sides are same. Now what crocodile will do? He is confused because both the numbers are same. So he is not opening his mouth. His mouth looks like this. When he not opens his mouth looks like this, right? So this sign is called equals to sign. Have you understood this? If he opens his mouth towards left side, that is what? If he open his mouth towards left side, that means that means it is greater than. And if he opens his mouth towards right side, then that means it is less than. And if he confused and did not open his mouth, then which sign? That is called equals to sign. Okay, now we will do this exercise. Exercise 1.4. Okay, which exercise? Exercise 1.4. Now what is the question? Complete and put the sign greater than or less than or equals to in the given box. So number 1 is 72, box 75. Now tell me which one is the biggest number, 72 or 75? Which one is the biggest number? 72 or 75? Yes, 75 is the biggest number. So in which side crocodile mouth will be open? In which side? In right side, right? So when the crocodile mouth is open in right side, which sign we have to put? Greater than or less than? We have to put less than sign, like this. This is less than. That means when the mouth is open towards right hand side, that is called less than sign. Okay. Now number 2, 67 box 47. Now which one is the biggest number, 67 or 47? Yes, 67 is the biggest number. So which number crocodile wants to eat? The biggest number. So in which side he has to open his mouth? Yes, towards the biggest number, right? That means in left side. So when he open his mouth towards the left side, then which sign we have to put? We have to put greater than. Greater than. Okay. Okay. Now we will do this one, abacus, with the help of abacus. Okay. Tens and ones. In this side we have one ball, and in this side we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balls. In this side we have one ball, and in this side we have 5 balls. So how many balls we have altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is, here is 1 and here is 5. That means 1, 5, 15. We have 15 balls in this side, and now how many balls here? 1 ball in this side and 5 balls in this side. In this one also 1 ball in tens place and 5 balls in ones place, and in this side, in left side we have 15 balls altogether, and in right hand side in tens place 1 ball, and in ones place 5 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this side also we have 15 balls. So both the sides are same. So what will happen? Which sign we have to put here? Now this time both the sides are same. There is no biggest number, there is no smallest number. So which sign we have to put here? And the crocodile is confused. So when he became confused, he closed his mouth, right? So we have to use this sign. This is equals to sign. Okay. Now like this, I will show you another example. Okay. Now again we have 2 abacus in both the sides. Now in left hand side we have to put 1, 2 balls, and in tens place, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 balls in ones place. In left hand side we have to put 2 balls in tens place and 6 balls in ones place. That means 26. We have 26 balls in left hand side, and in right hand side we have to put 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 balls in tens place and 1 2 3. 3 balls in ones place. That means we have 6 balls in tens place and 3 balls in ones place. That means 63. We have 26 in this in left hand side and we have 63 in right hand side. Now tell me which one is the biggest number, 26 or 63? Yes, 63 is the biggest number, right? So now which sign we have to use? Now tell me, crocodile wants to eat which number, 26 or 63? Of course 63, because it is the biggest number. So in which side his mouth is open? He have to open his mouth in which side, left hand side or right hand side? Right hand side, like this. Okay, like this we have to put the sign, and this sign is called less than sign. Okay, now in this way you have to complete these sums. Exercise 1.4, do all these sums and this one also. Okay, for today this much. Okay, we will continue this in our next lecture. That means in this side crocodile's mouth is open in this side, so if the crocodile mouth is open in left side,